This is my first 3D printing project ever designed, marking the beginning of my engineering career. And what was it intended to do? To model 3D carbon nanotubules. And all this started because I was in a summer course and we were tasked to present about a project or an idea that we liked related to physics, and I chose carbon nanotubes. My group agreed. Also, guys, keep in mind that over the summer I had taken a lot of my own time to work and learn 3D CAD design and modeling just to get ahead of the crowd and already get a gist of how it works. And I said, you know what, why not take this opportunity to just 3D model a carbon nanotubule, because that seems like a pretty challenging task, and I'll definitely learn various new skills. And finally, guys, this is what the 3D model of the carbon nanotubule looked like in its completion. Overall, it took me about, I would say, 1 to 2 hours to build it, and I watched a few YouTube videos here and there, mostly just so I would learn how to propagate the 3D patterns. And really, YouTube has all the solutions you need. If you don't understand something, just Google it, and you can learn a million things in just the click of a button. And yeah, overall, this is what the final model looked like. And here's what I learned through the process of building it. As you might notice, with this project, I was able to learn how to propagate 3D linear patterns, which was important for me to create the hexagonal shapes, which models the carbon bonding in graphene. I was able to form those hexagonal 3D patterns and then propagate it throughout. So for that, I had to use features such as a 3D spline. And then with the 3D spline, I created the thick little slab of a hexagon, and then I propagated it throughout the cylinder shell that I created. And then I was left with this final product, which is the model of a 3D carbon nanotubule. So with this project, I was really able to learn a lot. I'm sure this will definitely come in use for my Eng 200 class, which I'm definitely looking forward to, where we're going to be working with lots of 3D modeling. That's what that class is known for, but I already have a head start on that, which I'm glad about. So hopefully I'll definitely be working on many more projects, because that is going to be my life now. I want to be a mechanical engineer, and mechanical engineers most of the time are working with CAD designing. Well, actually, I shouldn't speak too in advance because I don't really know exactly, but I just heard that mechanical engineers work with a lot of CAD design, and I definitely enjoy that. So today it is currently Friday, September 29th, 2023. I'm saving this for my memories, for me to remember when I'm 60 years old, come back and look at this. And yeah, everything is going well so far, and we're making great progress, and I'm learning a lot within the first weeks of my engineering trajectory through college. Let's get it, guys.